Okay, let's learn more things. That will be the solution of the simultaneous equation. Okay, so let's copy something here. Try. Okay, try. Suppose we are given what? A simultaneous equation. It will be in the form like this: ax plus by plus c equal to c. That would be the first equation. The format like this, okay? And then the next equation would be something like hx plus ky equal to p, something like this. Okay, we call this is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. Okay, so normally the question will ask you to solve this kind of equations, meaning you have to find out the values of x and y. Okay, but sometimes you very strange when solving this equation. Okay, I mean the solution. Okay, the nature of the solution. Okay, so what we have 3 cases. Okay, 3 cases. Normally, okay, let's call it case 1. Case 1. Okay. If we can finally find out the value of x or y. Okay, you can just find out x or y. Okay, you have no need to find out both. Okay, you find out x or y, depends on the case at that moment. Okay, if we can find out the value of x or y finally, okay, then what we have then, okay, we have this simultaneous equation has only one solution. Okay, we can write only one solution. Okay, underline. So the value of x or y, okay, simply value of x or y, one of them is okay. Then you can conclude only one solution. Understand? But next we have case 2. If we find out something impossible, okay, after doing some calculation, then what are no solutions? Here, when you find out something impossible, okay, then no solution. I'll change to use the red pen here, red color, then you can recognize it. Okay, so one more case, case 3. I write this. After simplification, we find out the 2 equations, meaning that one and 2, okay, are actually the same. Okay, then what happened to the solution? It is infinitely many. Okay, infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let's make some conclusion here. If you find out these two equations actually the same, meaning that equation 1 and equation 2 actually the same equation, okay, then your solution, okay, will be infinitely many, meaning that you cannot just find now one x or one y. There are so many x and y, you cannot just find out. Understand? So this is the principle, okay, or you can call it is the method to determine the case or the nature of the risk, okay, of the solutions of these simultaneous equations. So let's try some exercise. Let's go to the questions 37 to question 44. I'll do some. So here, I'll do 38. Let's copy out. 3x minus 2y equal to minus 6. And then minus x, 9x minus 6y equal to 18 minus 18. So here, how to do some simplifications, okay? You can times something. You can times minus 3, okay? Or you times minus 3 here, understand? I don't want to use some very complicated method, okay? You can do times of minus 3, okay? So 1 times minus 3, what you have? Minus 9x plus 6y equal to, because times minus 3, there would be 18. Understand? Equation 3. So you do 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. What you have? X cancel. Y cancel, right? So 0 on the left hand side. Equal to, on the right hand side is both 0. Okay? So you have 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0 actually meaning what? Meaning that these equations are the same. So when you find out this E0 equal to 0, you can directly conclude. So it is infinitely many solutions. Understand? It's not very difficult. Okay. So next we go to 40. Copy out. 3x minus plus 4y equal to 10, and then 3x minus y equal to 5. So we give name here 1, 2. Okay. So which one do you want to eliminate? Because here 3, 3, right? We simply times a minus 1 in the equation 2. That would be perfect. Times minus 1 here. Minus 3x plus y equal to minus 5. Give a new name. It's okay. So equation 1 and equation 3, we do a plus. X cancel, right? And then we have 5y equal to 5. You calculate y equal to 1. So you can find out just one value of x or y here. Okay, so you have no need to find out x. Also, you can, of course, you can find out x, but your conclusion is the same. What? Only one solution. Okay, so we have only one solution. Understand? So next, let's move on. We go to 42. 4x minus 4x plus y equal to minus 2, and then ax minus 2y minus 5 equals 0. So we move all the numbers to one side first. Positive 5 is okay. So, for example, let's say we want to eliminate this y. We do what? Times 2, right? So, we give a name. Y times 1 times 2, okay? What you have? Minus 8x plus 2y equal to minus 4, okay? That will be equation 3. You do 2 times 3 here. On the left-hand side, it's just 0. But on your right-hand side, it's positive 1. Is it possible 0 equal to positive 1? No. Okay? This is impossible thing, right? So you write, so impossible. So, no solution. Okay? No solutions. Is it okay? So I'll do one more. 44. 6x minus 3y minus 12 equals 0. And then 2x minus y minus 4 equals 0. Move all the number to one side. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So next, let's say you want to eliminate the x, okay? So what you have to do, you times the equation 2 by minus 3, okay? So you have minus 6x plus 3y equal to minus 12, understand? So you have equation 3. Do the addition, 1 plus 3. You have 0 equal to 0. That meaning these two equations are actually the same, okay? So infinitely many solutions. Understand? So it is actually not very complicated to do, as long as you can memorize those 3 principles. Okay, for that. Understand? So I finished doing this. I do half for you. Okay. The rest you do it. Okay.